Hi everyone and welcome to another video of MasterCAM. So we have started the module 5, which is all about the multi-axis toolpath, and we have covered the introduction to multi-axis topic, and the second topic is 3+1 and 3+2 rotary positioning. And today we're going to start the swath and swath milling operations. So let's get started. So just open the MasterCAM 2023. So here we have the MasterCAM open, and now it's time to create a geometry. So for swath and swath milling, I'm going to create a very simple geometry for understanding. So let's go to wireframe and select a circle geometry. Click on the center, make the diameter 50 millimeter. Okay, I just want to create another circle which is 45 degree. Just create a thin cylindrical profile. Okay, go to solid, extrude, select this chain. Okay, and this is what we have, this cylinder. I'll just make it a little bit long and in opposite direction. Go to this, make it a little bit lengthy. I'll make it 60 minutes. Okay, so we have the cylinder. Now it's time to create profile on the surface of this cylinder. So I'm just going to select a front plane, and I'm going to create a profile here. I'll just create a pocket here on this side. So go to wireframe and go to this. Let me go to view first and select the front. Okay, and make it a little viewable. Okay, go to wireframe, just create a rectangle. Just send. Okay, so just give it 18 millimeter width, and the height is make it 30. Okay, give the fillets around. Okay, now it's time to extrude this up in the cut position. Go to solid, extrude, select the chain. Okay, just don't need to create a body, you just need to create a cut body. So in the opposite direction here. So we have created a profile here which is on the surface of cylinder, and this is a pocket. So let's create a swath operation using this pocket. So go to machine, select mill, default, and go to wireframe and just create some edges or curves along this pocket. So for that purpose, go to wireframe tab, and we have the curves on the edges option. Okay, just click on this curve edge, go over on this edge profile, hold on the shift button, and you will get the chain option. Okay, so this is how we can create or create a curve on the edge. Okay, so there is another option which is curve all edges. So this option is also very helpful. Just go and select the face of this cut, hold on the shift button and click. So it definitely select all the face along this pocket, click and selection, and definitely creates curves on each side of the edge. Okay. So this is very helpful in coming commands. So let's go to toolpath and select the multi-axis, which is the swap milling. And before creating a swap milling, you need to set a stop button. Okay. So just go to stock and give this name stock. But for that, just go exit. We'll just create. We can just create a stock in another plane. Go to level. Just give this name part. This is our part, and just create another level and just give it name stock. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to create a stock for this part. Okay, and go to solid. The extrude. We have already the edges. We have already the profile. Okay. On the other side, from this side, just go top view and click create body on the other side. Okay. So we have this stock for this part. So now go select this part, hide this stock, go to toolpath and select the swap milling operation. Select the tool, filter. We have the end mill option here, yet end mill. Set the cutting speed 15,000 and feed rate is 1500 millimeters. And tool number is 1 millimeter. Now go to holder, just need to select the default holder. Go to cutting parameters and you need to set the geometries for the swap milling operation. Okay. So I just want to select this face. Okay. Click on this face. You have to select all this face, which is going to be swap. Click and selection. We don't have the floor here. You don't have C floor over here. This is all the way up, down. Go to tilt lines. You have to guide the toolpath between these two surfaces. Let's say this is the upper surface and this is the lower surface. So between them we have the guidelines. These are the guidelines. So you just need to select any one. Okay, select this one. It's in upper right direction. Okay. Now the guidelines. We have the guidelines. We have the upper guideline and we have the lower guideline. So select the upper ray. Click this. So this is done upper, and how about the lower? So this is the okay. So how the machining will be performed? The machining according to the tool plane. Yes, so we just want to perform this according to a tool plane. And how about the sides? It would be auto detect, or you have to define. So I just want to remove the material inside. So just select not the left, right. We just want to perform this inside. So we have selected the profiles and we will do it inside. And climb milling, definitely climb milling, we need to guide the toolpath from the lower or upper. We just need to guide the toolpath from the uppers. Okay. How about the strategy? So it should be the automatically control the strategy according to the guidelines and guidelines. We just need to an extension. We don't need any extension over here. And how about the tool axis? So we just select the output format for 5 axis. Okay, so you can select either the 3 axis, 4 axis, 5 axis, but definitely the 5 axis operation. Okay, how about the guide length? We guide through the curves only, or you have any other solve geometries to guide. So in selecting the guide curves of upper and lower to check the gauge, whether the cutting tool will be able to cut the material or not able to cut the material. So go to linking parameters and set all these as a default. How about the multi cuts? If you want to perform multiple cuts, you just need to set it depth of cut is 1 step, or if you want to perform in 5 steps, just give 5. It will definitely cut the material in 5 steps. Either in the morph or from top or from the bottom side. So just select the morph option. How about the direction along the tool axis? And the tool guidance is user defined, or this we just don't need to set this or set this. Okay. So click OK. So here you want to see that it just create 5 steps to do the cutting operation and performing inside. So this is how this warp milling operation is done. Let me show you. And rotate it a little bit. So this is how the cutter will perform operation according to the profile geometry created. Okay. And you see that the cutter direction is along with the workpiece or tilt angle. You can set this by setting it zigzag way, and it will definitely perform the operation in a zigzag. So this is how we can perform this warp milling operation in MasterCAM. So hopefully you understand this. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much.